In today's fast-paced world, efficient fleet management is crucial for businesses that rely on transportation. Whether you have a small or large fleet, you need a reliable partner to help you manage your vehicles and drivers. That's why we're proud to introduce our fleet management company, Vzone International. Whether you need help with vehicle maintenance, driver safety training, or fuel management, we have the expertise and resources to help you optimize your fleet's performance and reduce costs. Our fleet management consultants work closely with each client to create customized plans that meet their specific needs and goals. We use the latest technology, including GPS tracking systems, to help you monitor your fleet in real time and make data-driven decisions. Our on-site maintenance and repair services ensure that your vehicles are always in top condition, minimizing downtime and maximizing efficiency. With our fuel management services, you can monitor fuel consumption and optimize fuel usage, reducing costs and improving your fleet's overall performance. At Vzone International, we're committed to providing the highest level of service and support to our clients. Contact us today to learn more about how we can help you manage your fleet and achieve your business goals. Vzone International, world #1 fleet management solution.